Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with UKG, Ultimate Kronos Group, review my usage experience. UKG, Ultimate Kronos Group, is a comprehensive workforce management solution designed for businesses of all sizes. Its main purpose is to streamline HR processes, including scheduling, time and attendance tracking, payroll, and talent management. Key features include employee self-service portals, advanced reporting tools, and integration capabilities with other HR systems. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. UKG positions itself as a one-stop shop for workforce management, emphasizing efficiency and data-driven insights. They highlight ease of use and strong customer support as key benefits. Their website claims robust security measures and compliance with various regulations. While pricing isn't explicitly listed on the main page, it's implied to be tailored to specific business needs. Availability is global, with specific implementation details likely dependent on location and organizational requirements. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using UKG. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well structured, with helpful tutorials and readily available support documentation. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly grasped how to input employee schedules and generate reports. For example, creating a custom report on employee overtime was straightforward, taking just a few clicks. The system performed flawlessly. I experienced no glitches or downtime during my trial period. I had a quick question regarding payroll integration with our existing accounting software, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and effective solution. I was really impressed by how visually appealing and user-friendly the dashboard was. The data presentation was clear and concise. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated scheduling functionality, which significantly reduced manual workload. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for the more advanced features like performance management, but the comprehensive online help resources mitigated this issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with UKG. While it has a few quirks that require some adjustment, it generally met my needs and streamlined our workforce management processes effectively. That's my overview of UKG, Ultimate Kronos Group, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.